Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of modern farmhouse interiors, where rustic charm meets contemporary style. Whether you are looking to refresh your home or gather inspiration for your next big renovation, this design trend brings warmth and sophistication to any space. So, let's explore the key elements that define this timeless aesthetic. Modern farmhouse interiors revolve around soft, neutral tones like whites, beiges, and grays. These hues create a calm and inviting backdrop, allowing natural textures and accents to shine. The beauty of this style lies in its contrasts. Pair reclaimed wood furniture for dining area, with metal light fixtures or combine stone and glass to achieve the perfect balance between old and new. Farmhouse kitchens are the heart of the home. Think apron front sinks, subway tile backsplashes, and large wooden islands. Open shelving filled with ceramic dishes and vintage-inspired decor adds personality to the space. Sliding barn doors in bedroom, also a hallmark of modern farmhouse design, adding rustic charm to spaces. They are both stylish and practical, saving room and making a bold statement. Layering is key in this style. Incorporate plush throw blankets, textured rugs, and wooden coffee table. some supporting elements to this living room, such as a smart TV, as a means of entertainment while chatting with the family. When accessorizing, choose pieces that tell a story. Vintage items, DIY crafts, and simple greenery like eucalyptus stems bring life and authenticity to your farmhouse look. And there you have it. Modern farmhouse interiors combine the best of both worlds, rustic charm and modern elegance. So, ready to transform your home? Let us know your favorite ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exterior and interior design inspiration. Thank you for watching this video. And see you in the next time.